Mom, can I borrow the iPad? I have finished my homework.
Remember to play on the iPad only after you're done bathing, okay?
Yes, I remember now. The iPad is out of battery. So frustrating. Oh, I'll charge it and then take a bath. After the bath, I'll have the iPad to play with. Hehe. How refreshing. I love it. Now I can play on the iPad. Hehe. I should unplug the charger before playing. It's very dangerous to play while the iPad is charging. Ah! Oh no! Ah! Oh! What's happening?
Bo, are you okay?
I'm okay, but why did I get electric shocked?
Pulling the electric plug with wet hands may result in an electric shock. Because water contains many contaminants that carry electricity.
So that's why. It's so scary, so scary. From now on, I must dry my hands before touching anything, otherwise it's too dangerous.